What's hiding in the darkest corners of our galaxy? Just take a moment to realize the vastness of space, a place where time pauses and shadows stretch infinitely, holding secrets that could unlock the mysteries of our existence. These shadows are not merely empty voids, they are the silent witnesses to the spectacular yet terrifying wonders of the universe, harboring bizarre phenomena that can stretch our minds to their limits. The question beckons: what lurks in the unknown, waiting to be discovered? As we embark on this exploration, I guarantee that what lies ahead will challenge your perceptions, ignite your imagination, and perhaps even send shivers down your spine. Stick around, and you might just uncover the cosmic truths no one dares to talk about. Let's delve deeper into the abyss. Before us lies the Milky Way, a majestic spiral galaxy that spirals around a supermassive black hole at its center, aptly named Sagittarius A star. The mere thought of a black hole should give you chills, an entity that defies the laws of physics with its unimaginable gravitational pull, swallowing light and matter alike. But what else resides beyond the blinding lights of stars and the swirling colors of nebulae? It's the dark matter we cannot see and the dark energy that dominates our universe, an unseen force making up around 95% of it. It's baffling to consider that everything we can observe through our powerful telescopes, planets, stars, galaxies, constitutes only a fraction of the cosmic puzzle. You might be wondering, what exactly is dark matter? Surprisingly, we can't directly detect it. Instead, we feel its effects, its gravitational pull shaping cosmic structures right before our eyes. Scientists theorize that dark matter exists in a halo around galaxies, guiding their formation and evolution. Imagine an invisible web threading through the universe, influencing celestial bodies in ways that challenge our understanding of reality. What if there are forms of life that exist in a structure made primarily of this mysterious substance? That's not all. Our galaxy also teems with rogue planets, wandering freely in the cosmic wilderness, cut off from their parent stars. Picture this: a planet drifted so far from its solar system that it now floats alone in the dark, perhaps hiding secrets of creation and survival beyond anything we've ever encountered. Could those worlds have conditions for life? What comes next will leave you speechless. Rogue planets are not rare, they may outnumber the stars in our sky. Alongside these enigmatic entities are neutron stars and pulsars. After massive stars explode in cataclysmic supernova events, they leave behind these remnants. A neutron star packs more mass than the Sun into a sphere about the size of a city, resulting in gravity so intense that a mere teaspoon of its material would weigh as much as a mountain here on Earth. And then we have pulsars, rapidly spinning neutron stars emitting beams of radiation. When aligned just right, they can appear to pulse rhythmically, similar to a cosmic lighthouse. If you were to witness a pulsar up close, you'd experience a phenomenon that challenges our understanding of both time and space. Ever wondered how life could exist in the depths of our galaxy? It's not just about rocky planets situated within the habitable zone of their stars. Scientists are actively exploring the concept of extremophiles, organisms capable of surviving in the most hostile environments imaginable. From fiery hydrothermal vents on ocean floors to polar ice caps' frigid realms, life pushes the boundaries of possibility. What if, beyond our pale blue dot, life has found a way to exist in dark, cold pockets of the universe? Let's pivot for a moment into the enigma of dark energy, a force that accounts for approximately 68% of the universe. This mysterious energy drives the accelerating expansion of the cosmos. You may think you know gravity, and yet dark energy acts in direct opposition, pushing galaxies apart rather than pulling them together. What if it serves as a conduit of cosmic evolution, sculpting the future of the universe? The truth is more complex than we can fathom, and yet, scientists have taken their journeys to probe these ethereal realms, encountering phenomena that force us to question even the most fundamental aspects of physics. Here's a shocker: there might even be entire civilizations crafted by the very fabric of dark matter itself. Imagine beings with abilities far beyond our comprehension, thriving in an existence devoid of the properties we identify with physical life. What kind of stories would they tell? What kind of technologies would they wield? While the speculation may seem distant, it's not entirely unfeasible. Is it possible that they hold knowledge of the universe's beginnings and its ultimate fate, insights that could forever alter our place within it? Now, let's set a stage for the ghastly idea of black holes as not merely cosmic vacuum cleaners but rather gateways to other realities. Often depicted as the villains of space, black holes are painted as insatiable entities that incessantly consume everything in their wake. However, many theories suggest that black holes could serve as portals to other dimensions or even other universes. Can you imagine stepping through a cosmic doorway, emerging in a different realm where the laws of physics don't apply? The thought is exhilarating and terrifying. Despite their immense gravitational pull, black holes also serve as laboratories for us to explore nature's most deeply buried secrets. As we begin to unravel their mysteries, we may just be tapping into the cosmic fabric connecting us to the greater universe. But perhaps even more fascinating are the cosmic coincidences, the vast number of supermassive black holes dotted throughout the universe. Could they hold the keys to unlocking galactic evolution? Each one is unique, having formed at different epochs, accruing materials, and feeding off stars and gas. Every new discovery leads us ever so closer to unveiling the mysteries they encase, hinting at complex interactions influencing star formation and galactic structure we're only beginning to understand. Continuing with cosmic phenomena, let's discuss gamma-ray bursts, one of the universe's most explosive enigmas. These bursts release immense quantities of energy, outshining entire galaxies for brief moments, usually triggered by the collapse of massive stars into black holes or the merging of neutron stars. Most astonishingly, they're one of the most powerful events in the universe, and if we were to observe a gamma-ray burst from a nearby galaxy, the burst's radiation could create havoc on Earth. Could these cosmic fireworks be a signal from extraterrestrial intelligences? Some theorize that intelligent life could be harnessing these titanic bursts, bending them to their will to communicate across the galaxy. Now, here's a riddle. What if we're not alone in our struggles and triumphs? What if dark matter and dark energy serve as the duality of life in the cosmos? One cannot exist without the other, paralleling our own existence, shedding light on the struggles between light and shadow, chaos and order. But are we as civilizations capable of unmasking our cosmic neighbors, or are we merely scratching the surface of ultimate truths enhanced by the darkness surrounding us? Did you know that the Milky Way undergoes galactic cannibalism, devouring smaller galaxies that venture too close? This process breeds complexity, chaos, and ultimately rejuvenation in our galactic ecosystem. Predatory interplays define the galactic stage, showcasing feral dynamics on a cosmic scale, building, destroying, and recreating like ancient gods. As we look deeper into the dark corners, could we find remnants of civilizations or clues left from galaxies consumed long ago, narrating the tales of glory, downfall, and rebirth? But while we ponder these mysteries, our journey doesn't end here. The allure of the cosmos rests in the semblance of the unknown, and in the darkest corners of our galaxy, untold wonders await. As we venture further, the prospect of encountering rogue black holes, interstellar phenomena, and perhaps even artificial constructs shapes our understanding of what lies before us. What if the path to answering these questions requires us to confront not only the galaxy's secrets but also the fundamental essence of existence itself? Stay tuned, as the next part of our journey will delve even deeper, unearthing the strangeness of potential alien civilizations lurking in our midst and the shadows of unseen forces that govern the cosmic ballet. Where will this cosmic quest lead us next? The answers hold the potential to be more astonishing than we could ever expect. So buckle up as we continue this adventure, because what awaits in the darkest corners of our galaxy is just the beginning. As we delve deeper into the cosmic fabric, let's consider the tantalizing possibility of life beyond Earth. Perhaps the most tantalizing prospects arise from the exploration of exoplanets, worlds orbiting distant stars. As our observational technologies advance, we discover a staggering array of planetary systems, with many residing in the potentially habitable zones of their stars. Yet, the question lingers: what form might extraterrestrial life take in environments we cannot yet fully comprehend? We're already in awe of extremophiles here on Earth, organisms flourishing in environments once thought to be uninhabitable. Now imagine these forms of life existing on exoplanets significantly different from our own, perhaps thriving in atmospheres rich in methane or encased in icy shells, or even submerged beneath swirling oceans of supercritical fluids. There could be landscapes of bioluminescent forests on a gaseous planet or entire ecosystems powered by chemosynthesis, where life forges ahead without sunlight. You may ask, how do we even begin to fathom this tapestry of possibilities? The tools of science fiction and speculation become our strongest allies. Scientists and thinkers today venture into the realms of synthetic biology, exploring ways in which life might adapt and evolve under conditions completely off our charts. One idea posits that if life can emerge under the harshest conditions on our planet, it could potentially arise anywhere, in forms that stretch the very definition of life itself. Looking further, consider the concept of the Fermi paradox. If our galaxy is teeming with potential life, why have we not encountered any evidence of it? The ponderings around this paradox spin stories of advanced civilizations and their choices, perhaps choosing to remain hidden or self-destructing before they could reach out to one another. Some argue that the galaxy is thrumming with signals we merely lack the capability to perceive. It raises our next tantalizing question: what would these civilizations look like? And what technologies might they wield? Speculations abound about the Kardashev scale, a method of measuring a civilization's technological advancement based on energy consumption. A Type 1 civilization, for instance, could harness all the energy available on its home planet. Meanwhile, Type 2 would draw power from its star, while Type 3 would command the energy output of an entire galaxy. If we're only beginning to scrape the surface of a Type 0 civilization, what secrets await among the Type 2 empires that may exist around supermassive black holes or within the concert halls of galactic clusters? Might they have developed forms of communication transcending our current understanding, perhaps manipulating dark energy or dark matter to send signals across unimaginable distances? Drawing closer to home, let's dive into the realm of technosignatures, the modern science of searching for signs of intelligent engineering throughout the cosmos. Telescopes aim toward distant stars, searching for anomalous patterns that betray the mark of civilization, whether it's megastructures like Dyson spheres, abnormalities in the light curves of distant stars, or unexplained emissions of energy that wouldn't occur naturally. In our quest to detect extraterrestrial intelligence, the Milky Way might host beacons waiting to be recognized, sending signals that could enable a bridge between civilizations, a message in a bottle cast into the cosmic ocean. However, as we ponder the potential for intelligent life and their creations, we cannot ignore the social and ethical dimensions that accompany this exploration. Should we make contact with advanced civilizations? Might a simple transmission disrupt an ecosystem of cultural evolution, bringing forth unforeseen consequences? Questions unfurl before us, shaped by philosophies and fears, calling for dialogue on our place in the galaxy. But the search for life is entwined with yet another grave concern. Our efforts to understand the universe must grapple with the shadow of climate change and the fate of our own planet. Our vision of the cosmos unwittingly mirrors our relationship with Earth. How would a civilization that mastered the stars operate responsibly? In pondering the future of our species, we are urged to reflect on the lessons drawn from the elemental threads of our own existence, how we nurture, exploit, and ultimately coexist with the universe. At this point, our gaze must contemplate the idea of portals again, the very fabric that connects one reality to another. Some physicists theorize the existence of wormholes, theoretical passages through space-time, possibly connecting distant points in the universe. The imagery of stepping through a wormhole into different realms challenges our conception of distance and time together. These speculative avenues lead us to envision civilizations traversing vast stretches of space, hopping through galaxies as easily as breathing. Yet questions arise. What guides the nature of these constructs? Just as interstellar travel teases our imagination, we must confront the limits of our biological essence and the potential of our technological creations. What if, through self-engineering or biological enhancements, we could evolve beyond our current limitations? The tantalizing field of transhumanism proposes the amalgamation of humanity with machines, raising philosophical quandaries about consciousness, identity, and our relationship with technology. With fantasy intersecting reality, could we become the architects of our post-species future? As we meander through these realms, it becomes clear that every question leads to more profound inquiries. This intersection of life, technology, and the cosmos illuminates mysteries begging to be unraveled, challenging us to rethink and redefine not only our understanding of the universe but also our place within it. With our trajectories set toward the unknown, we now find ourselves confronting one final monstrous idea, the simulation hypothesis. Might our reality be an advanced computational program running on a scale beyond our comprehension? Just as we create virtual environments, developing avatars and forms of digital existence, could an advanced civilization do the same with universes? The proposition begs us to reconsider the very nature of perception and consciousness, questioning what we deem real and what is merely a projection born from cosmic syntax. If our reality can indeed be simulated, the barriers between existence blur. What might futures shaped by the synthetic offer to our understanding of the divine, or even the mundane? And how might we address the philosophical challenges of creation and creator, exploring the ethics of existence itself? In concluding our expedition through the deepest corners of our galaxy, we resurface with questions echoing in the chambers of our minds. Who are we to dictate the limits of existence when the universe unfolds its fabric intriguingly, presenting possibilities we scarcely dare to dream of? It teases us with glimpses of brimming stars, cryptic signals from distant exoplanets, and entire civilizations lingering at the threshold of our perception. Let us embrace the mysteries that fuel our curiosity. Each question leads to a new horizon filled with wonder, a galaxy breathing stories, hugging shadows, and beckoning us forward into eternity. As we continue our quest, the universe reminds us that every cosmic truth is, in itself, a mirror reflecting our own soul. It challenges us, compels us, and inspires us, not just to fathom the dark but to illuminate our path forward. In the darkest corners of space, rapture and trepidation coexist, provoking us to step beyond the confines of our earthly existence. As our understanding deepens, we ascend toward a future rich with possibilities where every inquiry fuels our shared cosmic adventure. So, stay curious, embrace uncertainty, and remember, what lies ahead is not merely the sum of its parts but the unfolding tapestry of existence itself, begging for your exploration, introspection, and, ultimately, revelation. Welcome to the cosmos, a universe in which every question is but a step towards the awe-inspiring unknown.